Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Girl Guitar. I have Selena Gomez and Blanco for you here. They created a new album called I Said I Love You First, and it's great. This specific song here, it's called Don't Wanna Cry, and I almost do. Some of these songs are that good, so let's go into this crying song here. And we have 4 chords. This is gonna go fast. It's a very simple song to play, guys, so let's go. We have 4 chords, like I said, and without any capo, we're gonna learn the chords A minor, E minor, D minor, and G. So let's start with A minor first. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. E minor next. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. D minor there, and we have open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord is G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so that's the order of the chords throughout the song. And we have a very simple strumming pattern. It goes like this with A minor for 1 round. So it's down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. And I'll play 4 rounds for you there, and that's exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord in the order we just mentioned: A minor 4, E minor 4, D minor 4, and G4, like this. And that, my friends, is how you handle the song called Don't Wanna Cry. Give it a shot, it's very simple. Until next time, play tuned.